Hello friends, I'm happy taking you to the conversation between me and AK7DOLL. AK7DOLL, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, address our viewers.
Hey guys, it's a girl AK7DOLL TV and today we are going to be basically doing some concepts Konjaneram English hasn't told me about. So, let's begin.
Okay, fine. What's the name of the game that you have been explaining now?
It's Minecraft.
Speak about it.
So, basically Minecraft is a block game. It's a square game. Everything is square. Even your own character, it's not going to be human proportions. It's just going to be a square, rectangle torso, rectangle legs, and rectangle arms. Basically a very stretched square if you don't know the definition. I have a lot to explain, but I could only say things that came to my mind.
Okay, fine. The things that you have described now are Greek to me. That means I'm not able to understand what you have been describing because things are different. Our world was different. Your world is different. Right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. What is it that's now very interesting to you?
The ocean.
That's a very big thing.
Very big thing. But space is even bigger and bigger. I mean, how could you basically check the size of the universe? I mean, if you go to the end of the universe, where else will you go? Will there be an invisible wall there? And you just bang your head on the wall and you can't get outside of the universe. Or if there's another parallel universe. Only 5% of the ocean has been explored. I think officially there are only 1 million animals living there. But there's probably more. 95% of it is not explored, so that's why I'm so interested in it. Some people are talking about outside of this planet, while there's already some aliens lurking and creeping around in the ocean, in the waters. So why not check them out?
Hello, doll. The ideas you have been expressing here are really wonderful. You have lots of imagination. You have perhaps watched videos on different aspects of life and spheres related thereto. Carry on.
When there's literally some sort of creature that had, there's some transparent thing in both of their hands attached together, and it just touched like this and then it went to it, and then they just got so freaked out that they didn't even get to check what it was. It was basically a hoax.
By hoax we mean something which is untrue or which does not exist. Hello friends, we have had a sufficient deal, I think. Though, shall we take leave?
Sure, let's halt it here.
Okay, address.
Alright guys, this is the end of our collaboration video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure like, share, subscribe to Konjaneram English's channel if you want to learn more English. So, see you in the next collaboration video. Bye!